The digital world is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this transformation. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already shaping the way we interact with technology, and web development is no exception. AI is making its presence felt in various aspects of web development. From automating repetitive tasks to personalizing user experiences, AI is transforming how websites are built and experienced. This evolution is driven by the increasing availability of data, advancements in machine learning algorithms, and the growing demand for sophisticated user-friendly websites. As we stand on the cusp of 2025, AI's role in web development is poised to become even more significant. We can expect to see a surge in AI-powered tools and platforms that streamline the development process, enhance website functionality, and redefine the user experience. This essay will explore how AI will shape web development by 2025. We will delve into the specific AI tools and technologies that will be prevalent, the benefits they offer, and the potential challenges they present. By understanding these trends, developers and businesses can prepare for the future of web development and harness the power of AI to create innovative, engaging, and user-centric digital experiences. One of the most significant impacts of AI on web development will be in the realm of design. AI-powered design tools are emerging as game changers, enabling developers to create visually stunning and highly functional websites with unprecedented ease. Traditionally, web design has been a time-consuming and often iterative process, requiring significant expertise in design software and coding languages. However, AI is changing this paradigm by automating many of the design tasks that were previously performed manually. AI-powered design tools can analyze vast amounts of data, including user preferences, industry trends, and design principles, to generate website layouts, color schemes, typography, and even content suggestions. These tools can learn from user interactions and feedback, continuously improving the design and optimizing it for conversions. Imagine a world where you can simply input your website's purpose, target audience, and desired features, and an AI tool generates a customized design template within minutes. This is the future that AI-powered design tools promise, empowering developers to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of web development while leaving the heavy lifting to AI. Content is king in the digital world, and AI is poised to revolutionize the way content is created and delivered on websites. AI-powered content creation tools are emerging as indispensable assets for developers, enabling them to generate high-quality, engaging content at scale. These tools leverage natural language processing, also known as NLP, and machine learning algorithms to understand the context, intent, and style of human language. They can then use this knowledge to create various types of content, including blog posts, articles, social media updates, and even website copy. One of the most significant advantages of AI-driven content creation is its ability to personalize content based on user data. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and demographics, AI algorithms can tailor content to individual users, providing them with a more relevant and engaging experience. Moreover, AI-powered content creation tools can help developers optimize their content for search engines. By analyzing search trends and keywords, these tools can suggest relevant topics, optimize content structure, and even generate meta descriptions that improve search engine rankings. Personalization is key to creating engaging and memorable user experiences. AI is empowering developers to deliver highly personalized website experiences that cater to individual user preferences and needs. AI-powered personalization engines can analyze vast amounts of user data, including browsing history, purchase behavior, demographics, and even real-time interactions, to create a detailed profile of each user. This information can then be used to personalize various aspects of the website, including content, design, recommendations, and even offers. For example, an e-commerce website can use AI to recommend products that are relevant to the user's past purchases or browsing history. A news website can use AI to personalize the content feed, showing users articles that align with their interests. And a travel website can use AI to suggest destinations and travel packages based on the user's budget, travel style, and preferences. By leveraging AI-powered personalization, developers can create websites that feel tailor-made for each user, fostering engagement, loyalty, and ultimately conversions. Section 5. The future of web development: faster, smarter, and more intuitive. The advancements in AI are not just limited to specific tasks, they are fundamentally reshaping the entire web development process, making it faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Integrated development environments, or IDEs, are being enhanced with AI capabilities, providing developers with intelligent code completion, error detection, and even code generation features. This reduces development time, minimizes errors, and allows developers to focus on the more creative and complex aspects of their work. Furthermore, AI is playing a crucial role in website testing and optimization. AI-powered testing tools can automate various testing scenarios, identifying bugs and performance bottlenecks more efficiently than traditional methods. This ensures that websites are thoroughly tested and optimized for a seamless user experience. The future of web development is heading towards a more streamlined and efficient process. AI will act as a co-pilot for developers, automating repetitive tasks, providing intelligent insights, and enabling them to build sophisticated websites with greater speed and accuracy. Section 6. The challenges of AI in web development: navigating the ethical landscape. AI in web development offers benefits but also presents ethical challenges. Bias in AI algorithms is a major concern. AI can perpetuate and amplify existing biases. Data privacy and security are critical issues. AI may impact the job market, but it can also augment human capabilities. Section 7. The importance of human-AI collaboration. While AI is poised to revolutionize web development, it is crucial to remember that AI is a tool, and its effectiveness ultimately depends on how it is used by humans. The future of web development lies in human-AI collaboration, where developers leverage the power of AI to enhance their skills and creativity. Developers must focus on developing their critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity skills, as these are areas where humans still hold an edge over AI. By combining their human ingenuity with the capabilities of AI, developers can create truly innovative and engaging web experiences. Furthermore, developers need to stay updated on the latest advancements in AI and web development. The field is constantly evolving, and continuous learning is essential to remain competitive and leverage the full potential of AI. Section 8. Preparing for the AI-powered web development landscape of 2025. As we approach 2025, it is essential for developers and businesses to prepare for the AI-powered web development landscape. This involves embracing AI tools, acquiring the necessary skills, and adapting to the changing dynamics of the industry. Developers should start by familiarizing themselves with the various AI tools and platforms available. Some of the popular AI tools for web development include Google's Cloud AI platform, a suite of machine learning services that enable developers to build and deploy AI models. Amazon Web Services AI services, a comprehensive set of AI services, including machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. Microsoft Azure AI platform, a cloud-based platform that provides a range of AI services, including machine learning, cognitive services, and bot services. In addition to learning about AI tools, developers should also focus on developing their skills in areas such as data analysis, machine learning, and AI ethics. These skills will be in high demand as AI becomes more integrated into the web development process. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the future of web development with AI. The future of web development is inextricably linked with AI. By 2025, AI will be an indispensable part of the web development process, empowering developers to create more sophisticated, engaging, and user-centric websites than ever before. From AI-powered design tools that automate website creation to AI-driven content creation platforms that generate personalized content, AI is transforming every aspect of web development. While there are valid concerns about the ethical implications of AI, these challenges can be addressed through responsible development and a commitment to human-AI collaboration. By embracing AI and adapting to the changing landscape, developers and businesses can harness the power of this transformative technology to create innovative, engaging, and user-centric digital experiences that will shape the future of the web. As we move towards a more AI-powered world, the possibilities for web development are limitless.